Hi ma'am, my child is able to read 3-letter words comfortably and is also familiar with sight words. Could you please share the details of the Reading Ladder Level 2 program? Hold on, before we move on to our Reading Ladder Level 2 program, the child should be able to blend sounds and read words like laptop, insect, fantastic, vivid, pumpkin, etc. They should be able to read sentences and of course decodable books independently. Before we move to Reading Ladder Level 2 program, the child should master the skill of blending and segmenting. That means the child should be able to read and write. And all of this is covered in our Reading Ladder Level 1 program. So our Reading Ladder Level 1 program starts on 21st of April. The days will be Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Tuesday, Thursday 4 p.m. and Saturday at 10:30 a.m. in the morning. You can DM us or WhatsApp us on the number mentioned below.